Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. ចាខ្ញុំសូមជម្រាបសួរលោកស្រីអាយដាមលោកជំទាវដែលមានវត្តមាននៅទីនេះជាទីគោរពខ្ញុំឈ្មោះរ៉ានី Dushansky ជាសមាជិកអភិបាលរបស់សមាគមរក្សាមរតកខ្មែរថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមានកិត្តិយសជាពិធីការនីនិយាយភាសាខ្មែរនិងបងអូនស្រីវណ្ណដាសេងជាពិធីការនីនិយាយភាសាអង់គ្លេសដោយលោកស្រីបានជ្រាបរួចមកហើយថាក្នុងការហាត់រៀនព្រមរបាំអស់រយៈពេល6ខែសិស្សានុសិស្សរបស់សមាគមរក្សាមរតកយើងនឹងរួមជួបកំសាន្តដើម្បីអបអរសាទរបុណ្យចូលឆ្នាំខ្មែរដែលទើបតែបានចប់ទៅក្នុងខែនេះចាព្រមទាំងបិទវគ្គនៃការហាត់រៀនក្នុងឆ្នាំនេះផងដែរចាហើយឆ្នាំនេះគឺជាគម្រប់ខួបលើកទី45ឆ្នាំរបស់សមាគមរក្សាមរតកដើម្បីចាប់ផ្ដើមកម្មវិធីយើងខ្ញុំសូមអញ្ជើញលោកទេសរឿងប្រធានសមាគមរក្សាមរតកខ្មែរឡើងធ្វើការចាប់អារម្មណ៍បានកម្មវិធីចា៎
ជំរាបសួរសូមគោរព Good evening. My name is Bonita Singh, along with Mrs. Rani Luzansky, will be the master of ceremony for this evening. Welcome. On behalf of the Cambodian American Heritage, it is a great honor with my due respect to Ambassador of the Kingdom of Cambodia to the United States, Honorable Koy Kum, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, for making your valuable time to attend the evening tonight. Before we begin the show, I would like to invite President of Cambodian American Heritage, Mr. Sarin Tes, to make a remarkable welcome speech. President, please come to the podium.
Trong cơ rốt lâu ai mà đoán tôi cũng ai áp bị rê chú nên bị rê chứ mà chắc cầm chia phải chăm trả ra một mình lúc chỉ tiêu lúc trời nên phiếu cái điều đó đại miền một tầm miền là không học cả vào vì sao này kia đồng bầu trong sông tay và cung chú của ai mà đoán lúc chỉ tiêu lúc trời nâng bóng ôn miền chẳng học đại miền một tầm miền là không học cả sông cào cho nằm mà xanhสัพพสัตตามจำเสด็จพุทธศักราชปี1500จักรพูดหนึ่งคูดนำกำลังชายจะพรำในกำลังระบบสมาคมสามระดับหมายในสหรัฐอเมริกาแต่ตระการบรรการลายกรมโกตมอกแต่มวยตัวคือรักษาเมียรักศิลปะหนึ่งวัดตัวหมายอาจารย์พัฒน์กวางวังเรื่องกรมสหรัฐอเมริกาเจ้าสมาคมได้มันกุศลความสบายมันประกันฐานะหรือเกียรติศักดิ์มาบุญโบราณเครื่องเนียมในสมาชิกกรรมธิการระบบสมาคมลูกครูเน็ตครูเมียดาไปดาระบบสังปนเพียงศาสนาหรือสัตว์เพียงหลายปองจำส้มสมแดงออกมาคุณยาเตรียมเครื่องออกที่ดวงจันทร์จำพวกวัดเมียนระบบไอ้กระหล่ำลูกสักจำเดียวลูกใจหนึ่งบางโอนเพียงอ่ะขนมอกาศนี่แต่กลุ่มจงป้องจับตึกเกี่ยวกับช่วยโจมเจริญนำกำตัวทางประจักษ์จงป้องการทายรักษาเมื่อก็ฝักตัวศิลปะหมายเอาตามตัววงอยู่วงไว้ต่อถึงเดียนไอ้น้องโลกใจนั่งเที่ยวจังหวะโรงเรียนในสมาคมจงโซมจำเนียมไอ้บาเกียร์วิสาระสำคัญวิสัยในกรรมวิธีระบายยืนยงขนมไทยเล็กแต่เมนเนียนที่สำคัญปีอย่าง คือพิธีบอลสงกรานต์ปีกวนตามโดย69ตามจางกันแต่ของนั่งพิธีบอลควบกำหนดชายสำหรับชนะ នៃកំណើតរបស់សមាគមរក្សាមរតកខ្មែរនៅក្នុងសហរដ្ឋអាមេរិកផងឆ្លៀតឱកាសនេះខ្ញុំសូមប្រសិទ្ធពរជ័យសិរីមង្គលដល់បវរជូនលោកអាយុធម្មលោកជំទាវលោកស្រីទាំងអស់សូមបានប្រកបដោយពុទ្ធពរទាំង4ប្រការគឺអាយុវណ្ណៈសុខៈពលៈកំបីគ្រៀងគ្រាឡើងលោកស្រីសម្រាប់តទៅនេះខ្ញុំសូមអនុញ្ញាតនិយាយជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសបន្តិចដើម្បីជម្រាបជូនលោកស្រីខ្លះតែមិនអាចស្ដាប់ភាសាខ្មែរឲ្យបានយល់អំពីអ្វីដែលខ្ញុំនិយាយខ្ញុំសូមអធិស្ឋានសូមអរគុណ Good evening His Excellency Koi Kuang Koi Kuang Ambassador of the Kingdom of Cambodia to the United States distinguished guests ladies and gentlemen it's once again with my great pleasure on behalf of the Board of Directors, teachers, parents of the students, and all students of music and dance classes, to welcome you to this evening program of the Cambodian American Heritage Arts, which has dual essential function to celebrate the traditional Cambodian Lunar New Year of the Serpent 2025. Be up for this year 2569 and the 45th anniversary of the foundation of Cambodian American Heritage Incorporated as a not-for-profit organization. Also, I am delighted to acknowledge and welcome the presence of former Director of the National Endowment for the Arts, Dr. Dai Chi, in the audience this evening. And taking this unique opportunity, I would like to thank the National Endowment for the Arts for supporting our ongoing program of training our Cambodian American youngsters and others in the performing arts of classical and folk dance and music of Cambodia in the United States. Our sincere thanks also go to Arlington County's Department of Parks and Recreation and Community Resources, Arlington Mill Community Center Management and Staff, Kenmore Middle School Management and Staff, Northrop Grumman Corporation, Mrs. Judith E. Klein, Fidelity Grant Donation, and Dr. Joanna Pigore. Last but not least, our great gratitude goes to Dr. and Mrs. Dian Kim Yap, Mr. and Mrs. Deng Yap, Mr. and Mrs. Calvin Johnson, and their daughters, Catherine Yap, Erika Yap, Regina Yap, and Melissa Johnson, for their exemplary strong support of our organization, each with a very generous donation, as well as parents of former and current students and volunteers who spend their invaluable time and effort at assisting the organization from year to year. And we are also very grateful to other generous donors and have been giving contribution every year to this organization, whose name due to the unlimited time and with my apology, I would not mention them all at this moment. And once again, I would also like to extend our deep gratitude to the students, parents, and friends of this program who give financial and moral support to our organization and work enthusiastically with us throughout the year to make this program possible. In conclusion, our best wishes to all of you in the audience for a happy Lunar New Year with prosperity, longevity, and every success in all of your endeavors throughout the year 2025 and onward. Thank you. Please enjoy the show, which starts momentarily. Again, thank you.
សូមអរគុណលោកពូខ្ញុំសូមជម្រាបអាយដាមលោកជំទាវលោកស្រីប្រិយមិត្តទាំងអស់ផងដែរថាលោកពូទេសរឿងបានរួមគ្នាបង្កើតសមាគមរក្សាប្រដោះយើងអស់រយៈពេល45ឆ្នាំហើយលោកពូគឺជាប្រធានសមាគមយើងគឺជា key person ដែលបានគ្រប់គ្រងសមាគមយើងតាំងពី45ឆ្នាំមកតាំងពីលោកពូនៅធ្វើការនៅ VOA Voice of America រហូតមកទល់ឥឡូវនេះហើយខ្ញុំសូមជម្រាបផងដែរថាឥឡូវនេះគឺលោកពូមានបច្ចុប្បន្ន93ឆ្នាំហើយចា so ចាស់ហើយជួយលោកពូមួយចា really great law working ចា as a community leader ចា